Hi, I am Gautam Selvaraj from Vamshi Tool Works, which is located in Chinnavedampatti, Coimbatore. We are into the tooling industry and we are manufacturing plastic injection molds, jigs and fixtures and machined components. From 2022, we are LMW travel and we have a J Series machines and we have two J2 machines. We J Series machine choose first attract it's a direct drive machine. First machine purchase it was the only machine which is having direct drive. And initially the performance we try it was very good. The spindle spindle response it was really very good. And we machine trial the performance was really very good. And based on the performance we get a good customers in the market and we get a good appreciation also. Nearly or insert 120 hours and compared to the other machines insert appearance and the aesthetic it was really very good and we get a good appreciation from our customers. Based on machine performance based I have recommended more than 10 to 12 customers, 12 friends, and they also purchased the same machine. The service and sales was very good, and service calls within 4 hours they are attending, and it was really awesome. Considering the service support, already two machines same J2 machines. So based on considering the service support and their response, LMW machine and now we are in discussion of JV Craft and JV 100 series machines. So I am really appreciate the team.